Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Try.
Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel Moon's Vanity. Hope all of you are doing well. So are you guys excited for Christmas? Cause I'm super duper excited. For today's video I have come up with this gold glittery Christmas makeup tutorial for all of you guys, and I have paired a mauvish nude lip shade with this eye look. So if you're interested and wanna know how I achieved this beautiful glam look, then please keep on watching this video till the end. Before starting this video, if you're new here, then please take a moment and consider subscribing to my channel to stay connected and to watch more of this makeup, beauty, fashion related videos on this channel. So without much blabbering, let's get started with this video. As usual, I'm starting my makeup with the eyebrows, and for that I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, and the brush here I'm using is from Faces Canada eyebrow brush. So first I'm just outlining my eyebrows with the pomade and feeling my eyebrows nicely. Do not take a lot of product in one go because this is very much pigmented. Now I'm just brushing my eyebrows with this spoolie. And now it's time to clean up the eyebrows, and for that I'm using the PAC Studio Derma concealer and taking a flat brush here, and I'm just like cleaning up my eyebrows to define my eyebrows more. And here I'm also using this concealer as my eyeshadow base and applying all over my eyes. Then I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. Now to set the concealer, here I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Compact Powder. After that I am using this Nykaa highlighter to highlight my brow bone area with a small flat brush. Now I'll move on to the eyeshadow part. Here I'm using the Must Have palette from Beauty Glazed and taking a deep maroon or burgundy shade from the palette and applying it on my crease line with the Pro Arte pencil brush. Now it's time to blend out the burgundy shade, and for that I'm using the Pro Arte flat blending brush to blend out the edges. Here I have taken a soft orange shade so that there is a nice gradient on my eyelid. Again I'm taking a fluffy blending brush from Pro Arte and applying this soft yellow shade as my transition shade and just blending all the colors together. To intensify the eye look, here I am using the burgundy shade again to the outer corner of my eyes. Now it's time to cut the crease with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and with a flat brush I'm applying this concealer very close to my upper lash line, and now I'm just going to look up, and where the concealer touches, that is my crease area. So this is the easiest way to find your crease line. Now applying the concealer on half of my eyelid because here I'm doing a half cut crease look. Again intensifying the outer corner of my eye with the burgundy shade. After that I am going to use this Sivana color eyeshadow palette and taken a gold shade from the palette and just applying to the half cut crease area of my eyelid. Now it's time to apply some glitters. Here I'm using the TS Cosmetics glitters in the shade Bay. It's a beautiful rose gold kind of glitters, and I'm just applying it with my fingers all over my eyelid. Now it's time to highlight the inner corner of my eye and also on the brow bone area. Applying some Maybelline mascara after curling up my lashes with a curler. And done with my eye look, and now it's time to do the face makeup. For that I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion and applying it all over my face and neck. Now I'm just color correcting my face with the LA Girl orange corrector to hide my dark spots. And for the foundation I'm going with the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. This is in the shade 02. This is a dewy foundation and has a medium coverage, and the brush here I'm using to apply the foundation is from PAC 265 foundation brush, and applying the foundation nicely on my face. And now it's time to use the concealer. For that I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade light to medium, and applying this to the under eye area, to the side of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and all the usual places that I want to highlight. And now I'm going to blend it with the PAC concealer brush. This is a highlighting concealer for me. And now I'm just baking my face with this ADS banana powder. And now it's time to do the lower lash line with the same colors, and also applying the Maybelline mascara to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to set my face with this L'Oreal Infallible compact powder, and especially applying to my T-zone. And now I'm doing my face makeup with this Sugar face palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and just applying the contouring shade to the hollows of my cheeks with this PAC contouring brush. And now it's time to apply the blush on the apple of my cheeks from the same palette, and after that it's time to contour my nose with the contouring brush, and just applying it with my fingers. Now my favorite part, highlighter. I am applying this highlighter from the same palette. It's a beautiful champagne gold shade, and just applying it to the high points of my face, like the cheekbone area, like the bridge of my nose, on the forehead, on the cupid bow, and also almost everywhere, because I just love highlighter. I may look like a disco ball, but I can't help it. To finish it off, I'm using this In Color Matte Me lip shade. This is a beautiful mauvish nude lip color which will complement this look. And after this lipstick, I'm mixing another lip shade from NYX. It's a very light nude shade which will just help to lighten the lip shade a little more. At last, I'm splashing some makeup fixer from L'Oreal Infallible so that my makeup stays for a longer period of time. Hey, that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also press on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube, and it's completely free. So also share your valuable comments and any kind of video suggestion if you have for me in the comment section. I would love to read all your comments. I want to wish you a very happy Christmas and advance happy new year. I hope all your wishes come true for this new year 2021. And yes, I'll be coming up with a new video very soon on this channel, so please stay tuned and keep supporting me guys, and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.